Fast food can pose several health risks, especially when consumed frequently or in large portions. Here are some of the main concerns. 1. Obesity and weight gain. Fast food is often high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sugars, leading to excessive calorie intake and weight gain. 2. Heart disease and high cholesterol. Many fast foods contain trans fats and saturated fats, which can increase bad cholesterol (LDL) and raise the risk of heart disease. 3. High blood pressure. Fast food meals are typically high in sodium, which can contribute to hypertension and increase the risk of stroke and heart disease. 4. Diabetes and insulin resistance. A diet high in processed carbohydrates and added sugars can lead to insulin resistance, increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. 5. Digestive issues. Low fiber content in fast food can lead to constipation and poor gut health. 6. Liver damage. Excessive consumption of unhealthy fats and sugars can contribute to fatty liver disease, similar to the effects of alcohol. 7. Increased risk of cancer. Some processed meats, artificial additives, and deep-fried foods may contain carcinogenic compounds. 8. Poor nutrition and deficiencies. Fast food lacks essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber, leading to deficiencies over time. 9. Addiction and cravings. Fast food is engineered to be highly palatable, leading to overeating and dependency on unhealthy food choices. 10. Mental health issues. Studies suggest a link between fast food consumption and increased risks of depression, anxiety, and mood swings due to poor nutrition. While occasional fast food consumption isn't necessarily harmful, a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods is essential for long-term health. Fast food is strongly linked to obesity due to its high calorie content, poor nutritional value, and the way it encourages overeating. Here's how fast food contributes to obesity. 1. High-calorie meals. Fast food meals are often loaded with calories due to large portion sizes, excessive fats, sugars, and refined carbohydrates. A single meal can exceed the daily recommended calorie intake, leading to weight gain over time. 2. Unhealthy fats and sugars. Many fast foods contain trans fats, saturated fats, and added sugars, which promote fat storage in the body and increase the risk of metabolic disorders. 3. Low nutritional value. Fast food lacks essential nutrients like fiber, vitamins, and minerals. A poor diet filled with empty calories can contribute to increased fat accumulation and poor overall health. 4. Portion sizes and overeating. Fast food chains often serve oversized portions, encouraging people to eat more than they need. Many people underestimate how many calories they are consuming. 5. High sodium content. Excessive sodium in fast food can cause water retention and bloating, which may contribute to weight gain. Over time, high sodium intake is also linked to hypertension and heart disease. 6. Addictive nature of fast food. Fast food is designed to be highly palatable and can trigger cravings, leading to frequent consumption and overindulgence. 7. Impact on metabolism. Regular consumption of fast food can slow metabolism and lead to insulin resistance, making it easier for the body to store fat. Preventing obesity related to fast food. Limit fast food intake and opt for healthier options when possible. Choose smaller portion sizes and avoid sugary drinks. Eat a balanced diet with whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. Stay physically active to counteract excess calorie intake. Fast food isn't inherently bad, but frequent consumption can lead to obesity and related health problems. Moderation and healthier choices are key to maintaining a balanced diet. Fast food is often high in calories due to large portion sizes, unhealthy cooking methods, and high amounts of fats, sugars, and refined carbohydrates. Here's how high-calorie fast food contributes to health issues. Why fast food is high in calories. 1. Large portion sizes. Many fast food meals are oversized, containing more calories than a typical home-cooked meal. 2. Fried and processed ingredients. Deep-fried foods absorb excess oil, adding significant calories. Processed meats and refined grains also increase calorie density. 3. High in fats and sugars. Many fast foods contain saturated and trans fats, as well as added sugars, which contribute to excessive calorie intake. 4. Sugary beverages. Fast food meals are often paired with high-calorie sodas and milkshakes, adding hundreds of extra calories. 5. Condiments and dressings. Mayonnaise, cheese, sauces, and dressings add hidden calories to meals. Effects of high-calorie fast food consumption. Weight gain and obesity. Excess calories are stored as fat, leading to weight gain over time. Increased risk of diabetes. High-calorie foods, especially those rich in sugar and refined carbs, contribute to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Heart disease and high cholesterol. Saturated and trans fats increase bad cholesterol, LDL, raising the risk of heart disease. Poor digestive health. Fast food lacks fiber, leading to digestive problems like constipation. How to reduce calorie intake from fast food. Choose grilled instead of fried options. Opt for smaller portions or share meals. Drink water instead of sugary sodas. Avoid extra sauces, cheese, and mayonnaise. Add a side of vegetables or salad instead of fries. While fast food can be convenient, making healthier choices and being mindful of portion sizes can help prevent excessive calorie intake and related health issues. It looks like you meant large portion sizes and fast food. Large portion sizes in fast food contribute to overeating and weight gain because they encourage people to consume more calories than needed. How large portions affect health. 1. Increased calorie intake. Many fast food meals exceed daily calorie recommendations in a single serving. 2. Distorted perception of serving sizes. Regularly eating oversized portions makes it harder to recognize proper portion sizes, leading to habitual overeating. 3. More unhealthy ingredients. Large portions mean more saturated fats, sugars, and sodium, increasing the risk of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. 4. Faster eating speed. Large portions encourage quick consumption, making it easier to eat beyond fullness before the brain signals satiety. 5. High sugar and fat in drinks and sides. Large combo meals often come with oversized sodas and extra sides, adding unnecessary calories. Ways to control portion sizes in fast food. Order smaller meals or choose kids' portions. Skip supersize options and stick to regular servings. Share meals to avoid overeating. Eat slowly to recognize fullness before finishing large portions. Opt for healthier sides like fruit or salad instead of fries. While fast food is convenient, managing portion sizes can help reduce health risks and prevent excessive calorie intake.